An official announcement that's come in. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal of Delhi imposes a 6-day lockdown. The lockdown in Delhi from 10 p.m. tonight all the way till 5 p.m. on the 25th of April. Here, marriages with only 50 guests, essential services allowed. Of course, no other gatherings will be allowed. Religious places will be, no congregations will be allowed at all. Here is Arvind Kejriwal, who says no option but to implement this lockdown. Let me quickly cut across to Anisha Mathur joining us more details. Anisha, take us through point by point exactly what are the parameters of this fresh lockdown that will be in play now until the 26th of April.
Well, there is going to be a strict lockdown in Delhi, but there are some leniencies that have been made. First of all, the government has said that while there is a complete lockdown from today 10 p.m. till 5 a.m. on the 26th, Kejriwal has specifically requested that migrant laborers should not move out of Delhi, that they will be taken care of, that the travel will in fact take a longer time than the lockdown will take. Secondly, what he said is that marriages can happen, marriage ceremonies, but with only 50 guests, and complete the rules regarding the distancing and masking must be followed. The lockdown will remain in place from tonight till Monday morning. The detailed parameters will be brought out shortly. The notification will be issued. But at the moment, what we do know from this press conference is that the health system of Delhi is extremely stressed, and that is why, with more than 25,000 cases per day coming in, the Delhi government has decided to take this decision. Only essential services will be allowed. There will be closure of all offices, schools, colleges, etc., which was already there. Religious congregations, any other kind of congregations, gatherings will not be allowed in Delhi. Remember, we're already under restrictions, whereas any kind of political, religious, social gatherings were not allowed. But once again, for this week, there will be a complete lockdown on all persons from traveling to any place in Delhi. You should not be outside of your house as far as possible. Only essential services will be allowed. Public transport will also be restricted to essential services personnel only. Markets are going to be shut, offices, etc. are going to be shut. So once again, Delhi is going to be under a lockdown for a week. As the Chief Minister has just announced, Delhi's health system is extremely stressed with the numbers that we're seeing of patients coming in. The hospital beds, oxygen, ventilators, etc. cannot keep up with that kind of pressure. And if you can see around me, I'm going to ask my camera person to pan. We're in Connaught Place right now near Palika Bazaar, and many people around here are not following the masking norms, which is something that has contributed to the rise in COVID cases. And the government has made it very clear that they're going to get stricter about this. With the lockdown coming in, we saw a lot of challans and FIRs being filed over this weekend when there was a weekend lockdown, and in the next coming week, strict implementation of the lockdown is going to be done. Back to you.
Right, Anisha, we're looking at a fresh curve that will be on until the 26th of April. 10 p.m. tonight it starts. It almost appears like what were the measures that was imposed during the weekend. The weekend curfew is the similar imposition that will continue until the 26th. It's exactly the same, almost more or less the same as what it was during the weekend curfew, which means no congregations. But what we'd like to know here is that is interstate travel allowed, be it through trains or buses, or for that matter, even airlines?
Well, as of right now, there are no restrictions on interstate travel. Anyone with a valid air ticket or a valid train ticket will be allowed to go to the railway station or the airport. But the government and the Chief Minister in his PC has very specifically made the request to people, don't try to flee, don't try to clog the railway stations or the bus stations. It is only a one-week lockdown, and the Chief Minister has expressed his hope that he will not need to extend the lockdown at the moment, that this one-week curfew is going to break the chain of transmission that we've been seeing. So at the moment, while there is no restriction on travel between states, the request that has been made by the Chief Minister is, please don't go out if you don't necessarily have to. Back to you.
Well, I'd like to ask you here, Anisha, will offices be functional? Of course, we do know essential services like your hospitals, your medical infrastructure, even media outlets for that matter, will be functional, will be allowed to function. But what about other establishments, other businesses? Can offices function?
Well, no, it's been made very clear that this is going to be a complete lockdown. All offices have to work from home. Any private offices must initiate work from home or close their offices. Even government offices, only the essential services will continue. Government offices will also work on a limited manner. But the detailed parameters of how exactly the government offices are going to function will come in the notification that will be issued very shortly. But the Chief Minister has said that the private offices as well as government offices, all non-essential services, basically, this is the rule, all non-essential services will be shut down. So private offices have been asked to ask their employees to work from home. Government offices will also work from home as much as possible. Any government offices, however, will remain functional as far as the essential services are concerned. This is almost exactly the same parameters that were in place this time last year.
Absolutely. Thank you very much, Anisha, for joining us with those details. Here's Arvind Kejriwal, Delhi Chief Minister now, who's announced a lockdown until the 26th of April to curb the rise in COVID-19 cases, similar to that of the weekend lockdown that will be extended through this entire week. We're going to take you through